Ready to see what everyone's rushing to buy this month? These trending Amazon gadgets are flying off the shelves, and for good reason. From smart upgrades to time-saving tools, they're the kind of finds you'll wish you grabbed sooner. All the links are down in the description. Feel like your screen's never big enough? These ultralight XR glasses throw a massive virtual display right in front of you, perfect for gaming, streaming, or even browsing on the go. With crystal clear visuals, immersive surround audio, and a sleek fit, it's like carrying a personal movie theater in your pocket. Just plug in and dive into the action, no bulky headset required. Ever wish your camera could follow you downhill, across water, or up a snowy trail? No controller needed? This foldable drone does exactly that. It launches from your hand, flies through nearly any terrain, and captures smooth 4K footage while keeping you centered, even at 42 kilometers per hour. Whether you're cycling, skiing, or just exploring, it's like having a flying cameraman that never misses a shot. Tired of overcooking dinner or losing track of your workout time? This sleek timer keeps it simple with a twist-to-set dial, an extra-large LED display, and magnetic backing that sticks right to your fridge. It's easy enough for kids and seniors to use, and the adjustable volume means you won't miss the beep or wake the whole house. Working in tight spots or low light? These flashlight gloves light up whatever you're doing without needing a third hand. LEDs on the thumb and index finger keep your hands free whether you're fixing wires, walking the dog at night, or camping in the woods. They're lightweight, breathable, and surprisingly handy for late-night projects or emergency fixes. Great little gadget with a lot of usefulness. This isn't just a gaming mouse, it's a full-on FPS experience in your hand. Shaped like a pistol with actual recoil feedback, every trigger pull feels like you're in the action. It's designed to reduce wrist strain while boosting immersion, and the precision is dialed all the way up. You can even remap controls and fine-tune the recoil. For serious gamers, this one's a total game changer. Say goodbye to stale chips and messy clips. This mini bag sealer keeps your snacks fresh by heat sealing the bag shut in seconds. No preheating needed. It even has a built-in cutter for quick bag opening. Small enough to carry in a purse and strong enough to seal most snack bags, it's perfect for the kitchen, travel, or camping. Plus, it's rechargeable via USB-C. No batteries required. Need to burn stress, boost energy, or just have some fun? This wall-mounted music boxing trainer lights up targets for you to punch to the beat, like a rhythm game, but for your fists. With adjustable speeds, a built-in LED display, and Bluetooth music support, it turns any space into a mini-gym. Great for adults and kids looking to get fit or blow off steam in style. This clever little camera pulls double duty, vlogging companion by day, home security by night. With sharp resolution and a 360-degree view, it captures everything from pet shenanigans to porch visitors, even in low light. Built-in eye detects motion, records surprise moments, and lets you chat with whoever's on the other side. It's portable, wireless, and even comes with a magnetic mount for hands-free use on the go. Not your average pocket lighter, this one's got brains and firepower. Along with a reliable flame, the front-facing smart display can show the time, weather, or even a rotating image of your choice. It's rechargeable, fully customizable, and even lets you sneak in some retro-style games. Perfect for anyone who wants a little tech with their spark. It's part lightsaber, part fidget toy, and all kinds of fun. This glowing saber pops out from both ends and features a finger ring so you can spin it like a pro. Whether you're channeling your inner space warrior or just need something cool to fidget with, it lights up and spins endlessly. It's flashy, fast, and surprisingly addictive. Got files scattered across your phone, camera, and computer? This all-in-one SD card reader makes transferring data ridiculously simple. It supports multiple card types, works with iPhone, Android, and laptops, and even doubles as a fast-charging cable. No setup, no fuss, just plug, play, and move your stuff. Ideal for photographers, travelers, or anyone juggling too much tech at once. Waking up to natural sunlight just got way easier. This smart curtain opener installs in minutes. No tools, no rewiring. Just clip it onto your curtain rod and connect via app. It quietly glides your curtains open or closed on a timer, by voice, or through your phone. The upgraded motor handles even heavy fabric, and silent mode keeps things smooth and discreet. Smart, sleek, and surprisingly simple. This isn't your average spinner, it's a desk toy with hypnotic flair. Spin it gently, and the silver ball creates an illusion that looks like it's floating in midair. Made from smooth metal, it's silent, balanced, and incredibly satisfying to watch. Great for staying focused, easing stress, or just zoning out between tasks. Whether you're working or thinking, it's a calming loop that never gets old. Shooting games just got a serious upgrade. This gun-style joystick lets you aim and fire like you're actually holding a weapon. Both handles rotate for realistic motion, and the trigger lets you shoot with satisfying precision. It works with your favorite console shooters and brings a whole new level of immersion. If you've ever wanted to feel like you're in the game, this does it. This power bank isn't just powerful, it's smartly built for the long haul. It uses a replaceable lithium battery, so when the power runs out, you can simply swap in a new one. It works with most phones, earbuds, and tablets, and supports fast charging protocols like QC and PD. Designed for efficiency, it converts power at up to 85% in eco mode. Compact, tough, and ready for everyday use. Your phone needs shade too, especially under the blazing sun. This mini umbrella sticks to the back of your phone with a suction cup and helps block direct sunlight, keeping your device cool. It's perfect for hot days when overheating is a real risk. Plus, detach the umbrella and the suction cup doubles as a handy phone stand. Cute, clever, and surprisingly useful. Turn your phone into a DSLR-style camera in seconds. This smart shutter grip gives your fingers that pro-level control with an ergonomic hook design that feels just right. Half press to focus, full press to snap, just like a real camera. It even has a quick mode switch button for toggling between functions. Snap on the magnetic fill light, and you're ready to shoot like a pro, day or night. Walking is optional when you've got these on your feet. These electric skates can zip you around at speeds up to 20 miles an hour, with a range of 15 miles on a single charge. The remote puts full control in your hand, letting you switch between 4 speed modes and brake with ease. Adjustable straps keep them secure, and the travel bag makes them easy to carry anywhere. Not all piggy banks smile back. This one stares and then eats your coins. Drop a coin into its mouth, and the creepy rubber face starts chewing like it's actually alive. Eyes move, the mouth stretches, and it slowly swallows your money with lifelike animations that are oddly unsettling. It's weird, hilarious, and just the right amount of creepy to keep you watching. Freshly Baked Cookies just got a serious upgrade. This edible ink printer prints colorful designs right onto sugar cookies. No icing or piping needed. It works instantly and can handle up to 350 cookies per hour. Just upload your design, hit print, and watch the magic happen. Great for parties, events, or making dessert feel a little more personal. This little robot doesn't just respond, he recognizes you. Packed with personality, this smart sidekick uses facial recognition, voice control, and touch sensors to interact just like a curious companion. Ask questions, check the weather, snap a photo, or control your smart home. It even comes with Alexa built in. Thanks to cloud updates, it keeps learning over time. It's fun, helpful, and feels surprisingly alive. Tired of little hands getting into places they shouldn't? This smart cabinet lock blends right into your furniture, keeping curious kids and nosy guests out of drawers and cupboards. It opens via app, RFID, or even voice commands. No keys or drilling required. Stick it on, sync it up, and enjoy the extra peace of mind. Perfect for baby-proofing or securing sensitive items discreetly. This sleek stand powers up your phone and laptop at the same time. With wireless charging, it delivers a fast charge to your iPhone, while the built-in retractable cable pumps out for tablets or laptops. Strong magnets keep your device in place, and the adjustable stand makes it perfect for gaming, work, or video calls. Less clutter, more power, all in one compact setup. Tired of tapping away on your tiny phone screen? This foldable Bluetooth keyboard turns your smartphone into a compact workstation in seconds. It even comes with a built-in phone stand so you can recline your device and type comfortably wherever you are. The sleek, minimalist design folds up small enough to fit in your pocket, making it a smart pick for travel or remote work on the go.